here at Autocross. What day is it? I think it's the 15th. Yeah, it's October 15th, 2022. This is a Mini Cooper Autocross event. Here with myself so far, but me and Alan are going to be dual driving my car. Going to be pretty cool. First time I've let somebody dual drive my car. I've let people just drive it for the event. But yeah, it's going to be fun. A bunch of people are going to be here. And yeah, we're going to have a blast. Your biggest fan.
Asian drivers, no survivors.
Hello, Yak. Ooh. Hey, dude.
Hello.
There's not a ton of people here today, but there's a good few people. Start of the winter season, so definitely not a huge turnout, but there's definitely going to be some good competition out there in front-wheel drive. It's a Mini Cooper event today, so yeah, I'm excited to go up against some minis. They're usually the people that are my biggest competition in front-wheel drive for Autocross.
That's another thing I gotta get used to too. Your shifter's so close to my knee. I'm like not used to having to sit overboard.
The tires are still cold.
Yeah.
They just feel like, you can kind of feel the back kicking out a little bit.
That's such a weird throttle and you're okay.
Yeah, it's sick. I like it.
That's weird to experience.
See, it's bouncing a little bit. Like, I fucked it up quite a few times.
That heartbreaking point, and yeah, but it definitely felt faster.
Yeah.
Alright. You stoked?
Yeah, you ready, bud?
Yeah, let's do this.
That's actually pretty good. give it a lot of, you gotta kind of like free steer it. Wrong way.
God, your brakes are so sensitive too. Oh God, this is so wild. I should chill and just try to learn.
Perhaps. What was that?
An 8?
Yeah, it's an 8.7. Oh, it's broken. How the fuck did that happen? That's not good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to actually just go slower this
Yeah,
time.
I would just take it easy.
And just try to figure it out. I was too blinded by the Honda goodness in my first lap. I was like, what am I doing? Oh my God, this is crazy.
He's gotta be, I don't know what the fuck that was. Keep wide. You can carry a little bit of momentum through there. Let off. There you go. Right, let off. Brakes, turn in. This is the part that it likes to slide. Right, brakes. You gotta turn in earlier. Because you're turning in like you would in your car and it's getting you crossed up. Like, there you go. There you go, that's good. Fuck yeah. You just, I think that you gotta be a little bit different on the pedal.
Yeah,
Nice, good job, dude.
yeah, that's not bad.
So, when it was like hopping like that, were you full throttle?
No, I was
Okay,
like
yeah,
barely touching it.
The TPS is just a fucking piece of shit in this car. This is the 8th one I put in this car. I don't know what's going on, but like something's not right with the tune or something like that. I don't know, but you gotta be there's like the threshold of when the car actually does something on the throttle is a little bit higher than on your car. All right, boys, how was it?
Honda be weird, but it's a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a 103 too?
I think I beat
here we go.
you, to be honest, Eric.
Here we go.
Huh?
I think I'm
Oh,
ahead.
that's fine.
no.
What?
I'm not even on here.
Damn.
Bro, that's crazy.
Wait,
Forget your transponder?
Dude, all the freaking Fords, they always put them front wheel drive. Remember that?
Fords.
They do that for the RS.
Where you at?
Wait, did they
Very
put me in
slow,
all-wheel drive?
595.
I should be on here.
My leg hurts.
I should
Yeah?
be.
Yeah, your clutch is so heavy compared to
Wait,
mine.
Gray Civic? Is that? Wait,
Gray Civic?
There's a
I-
gray Civic
no,
right
that's
here.
me.
There's
They
a
put-
gray Civic right here.
No, but they put me at Gray Civic.
What number are you?
46.
I'm number 19. Where am I at?
We're all three next to each
You're
other.
the green
so
fit.
I'm 44 with a 103.5. Rome is a 103.7.
Congrats on the
And you're
Civic,
also
man. I had no
103.7.
idea.
That's
How did-
crazy.
That's crazy.
Hell yeah, I gotta catch up.
17.
Ooh! That was a crunchy second gear. Wow, that's a lot of oil.
Yeah, that felt good.
fucked it up right here on the last one. Like I just did there.
That's good. Oh, hell yeah. Yo, let's go.
Okay, hit third, hit third. There we go.
Hell yeah.
2.6.
Damn.
Cool. I like that.
Yeah, that felt really fucking good.
I got too greedy. All right, boy, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Time to beat to 102.2. See if you got this.
I'll try to make it happen.
Yep. All right, buddy, let's see it. Whoa. Currently, but yeah, I had the opportunity to go into second, but I fucked it up and hit a cone, so no trophy for me today. Oh, hey there. Big winner. You got third place, dude. Good job.
So 102 flat.
Yeah, I saw.
I'm pretty stoked.
Nice.
Your car rocks. Yay!
Good job, man.
Thank you, sir.
Yup.